There's still time to catch 3 unconventional exhibitions at the Museo Novecento, which recently shook up its format. In the museum's new layout, which arranges artworks conceptually rather than chronologically, this trifecta of exhibitions begins on the ground floor in a wing of the museum's Renaissance loggia. Here you'll find a Benedetta Tagliabue show titled Paradigma, the Architect's Drawing Board, a project placing architects, architecture studios, and design collectives at center stage. The core idea of the show is that the architect's drawing board is like an artist's easel or a musician's music stand, inviting the viewers to reflect on the architect's mental map and creative process. The second small exhibition just around the corner is a series of textual messages and mildly provocative statements surrounding Florence's Via Palazzuolo, an oft-overlooked artery of the historic center, rich in multicultural diversity, connecting the main drags of downtown with Via Il Prato and the periphery. Finally, head up to the second floor of the museum to see a Piero Manzoni retrospective focused on the objects and playful concepts that the artist carried out and toyed with between 1959 and 1962. Among these are several pieces from his Lines series, including the conceptual cylinders which he cheekily proclaimed to contain infinitely long lines.